Hello, Liesel here from VA Wonder, where I help entrepreneurs, small business owners, and creatives master Canva with easy practical tips. Today, I'll show you how to perfectly space and align your text in Canva using a CV template. This will help you achieve a clean professional layout, even though Canva works differently from Word. Let's start by finding a CV template here on Canva. So you can go here to Templates, then search CV. Then you will see that Canva has got an array of beautifully designed CVs. Let's pick one and click on to Customize this template. Unlike Word, Canva doesn't automatically link text sections. Each heading, subheading, and paragraph is its own text box, which gives you design freedom but also means you control all the spacing and alignment. The first tip to align everything perfectly is to turn on the rulers and guides. To do this, go to File, Settings, Show Rulers and Guides. Then click and drag from the top or the side ruler to create visual guides. Next, use Canva's Position tool to ensure perfect alignment. Select two or more text boxes, then right-click, Align Elements, left, center, or right, depending on your design. You can also align your text or elements top, middle, or bottom through this function. To get your text looking clean and readable, adjust the line and letter spacing. Select the T with the arrow underneath it in your text toolbar. And from here you can adjust first your letter spacing, and your line spacing. For CVs, a little extra line spacing, around 1.3 to 1.5, often looks more professional. Design chaos often happens during copying and pasting of information from another document into Canva. But not to worry, if this happened to you, I have a great tool tip for you. First, look for a similar style text box or quickly duplicate the text box that you're going to work with next and move it to the side. Paste your new information into your design. In this case, you can see that the font and the formatting looks different from our original text box that we've duplicated. Now, click onto the duplicated text box and you will see this text toolbar pop up again. Go to this paint roller, which will copy the style. So click onto that. Now we've copied the style of this text box. Simply hover onto the incorrect formatted text box and click on it again. In one click, we have copied and pasted the correct text box style. You can now delete the extra text box. The last tip for today is to use groups. So after you've updated a mini section within your CV, for example, these 4 text boxes, select and group them. Now you can delete all this information below. Select your group and duplicate it. Duplicate it as many times as you would need. Now you can select, in this case, the 4 groups. Right-click, go to Space Evenly, and choose Tidy Up. These 4 groups are now neatly spaced, but we still have an extra white space here on the left-hand side. So let's quickly fix that. So select this text box at the top and your groups. Right-click, Align Elements, and let's align it to the left. Finally, zoom out to see the whole page. This helps you catch small alignment issues or uneven white space. A well-spaced CV always feels calm and professional. And that's how you perfectly space and align text in Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Canva tutorials every week here at VA Wonder. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.